Okay guys, today we're going to study again solving trigonometry part 9. We are now in number 57. Simplify cotangent squared theta minus 1 over secant squared theta. So the first thing to do is our solution is copy first the question. Cotangent squared theta minus 1 over secant squared theta. Our first step is just copy this cotangent squared theta because it's already simplified, but this 1 over secant squared theta is not yet simplified, so we have to do is remember that if we have 1 over secant squared theta, this will be equivalent to cos squared theta. That is why our simplified for this given trigonometric expression, it becomes cotangent squared theta minus cos squared theta. Next, number 58, find the sum of 3 over 1 plus sine theta plus 3 over 1 minus sine theta. The first thing you do is copy first for our solution, 3 over 1 plus sine theta plus 3 over 1 minus sine theta. And our first step is to find the LCD of this 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. So we have to do is write parentheses and copy. Our target is to multiply this for our LCD, and then after knowing that this is the LCD, we're going to divide 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. So this will be the same, so cancel. So the remaining is 1 plus sine theta multiplied to the numerator. That's why we have 3 quantity 1 minus sine theta, then plus copy, then we're going to divide again this LCD from here. Okay, 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, cancel this one, so the remaining is 1 plus sine theta times the numerator. So that's why we have 3 times quantity 1 plus sine theta. Then the next thing we do is to simplify. We're going to use the distributive property. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times minus sine theta, we have minus 3 sine theta. Then plus 3 times 1 equals 3. Then 3 times sine theta, so we have positive 3 sine theta. All over, we're going to multiply this. If we have positive negative, we can directly multiply this. 1 times 1 equals 1. Positive sine theta times negative sine theta, we have negative sine squared theta. And then we're going to combine like terms. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then negative 3 sine theta, then positive 3 sine theta. We are going to cancel this, no more. Over, copy the denominator. And then we have sine over, we have 6 over 1 plus sine squared theta. Remember, this will be equivalent to cos squared theta. And then we have here 6 over 1 secant squared theta, the equivalent of cos squared theta. Then the reciprocal of that becomes 6 times secant squared theta over 1. Then we're going to multiply 6 times secant squared theta plus 6 squared theta over 1. So this will be our final answer, 6 secant squared theta. Okay guys, we are now number 59. We're going to answer this question. Find the difference of 2 over 1 minus tangent theta minus 2 over 1 plus tangent theta. So our solution, we're going to find first the LCD of this denominator because the denominators are not the same. So therefore, we're going to multiply 1 minus tangent theta to 1 plus tangent theta. Then we're going to write at the left side of the equation, we have 2 over 1 minus tangent theta minus 2 over 1 plus tangent theta equals 2. You have to do right first the division line, and below the division line, we're going to write the LCD. Our LCD is 1 minus tangent theta, quantity 1 plus tangent theta. So we need to say we're going to multiply this. But before we do that, so we're going to divide this LCD, divide the denominator of the first expression. So that's why we're going to cancel this one. The remaining is 1 plus tangent theta. Then multiply it to the numerator. So that's why the result is 2 times 1 plus tangent theta. Okay? Then next, since this is minus, we have here minus sign. Then the same process, we're going to multiply and divide this LCD, so the denominator of the second expression. Then we are going to cancel, so the remaining is 1 plus tangent theta multiplied to the numerator. That's why the result is quantity 1 minus tangent theta over, so we're going to multiply now the denominator. 1 times 1 equals 1. Then directly, because this is negative and positive, so we can do the direct multiplication. So that's why negative tangent theta times positive tangent theta, we have negative tangent squared theta. Then the numerator now we're going to simplify, equals 2 by distributive property. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times tangent theta, we have 2 tangent theta. Then minus 2 times 1 equals minus 2. Then negative 2 or minus 2 times negative equals positive. Then 2 times tangent theta, we have 2 tangent theta. Then we're going to simplify, combine like terms. So we have 2, negative 2, so cancel, no more. And we have here 2 and 2, we have 4. Tangent theta, just only copy. No squared because we're just only adding the two tangent expression, we're not multiplying. That's why there's no, the exponent is the same one here. All over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Then this time, we have a take note here. If we have cotangent squared theta, this will be equivalent to 1 minus tangent squared theta. But in here, in our denominator is 1 minus tangent squared theta, so therefore our denominator should be cotangent squared theta. That's why our final answer is 4 tangent theta all over cotangent squared theta from here, from this expression. Okay, we are now number 16 problem. Simplify 1 plus tangent theta over 1 plus cotangent theta. Our solution, we have to copy first the question. 1 plus tangent theta over 1 plus cotangent theta equals to, we're going to, our first step is to conjugate the denominator. So we have 1 plus cotangent theta, the conjugate of this is negative 1 negative cotangent theta. Our first step is to copy first the question, 1 plus tangent theta over 1 plus cotangent theta. We have to multiply to the conjugate of a number, so we have all over 1 plus cotangent theta, the conjugate of this is 1 negative cotangent theta, and the numerator is also the same, 1 minus cotangent theta. Our next step is equal to, we're going to rewrite a division line here, and we're going to multiply the numerator directly to the numerator of the other side. So 1 times 1 equals 1, positive times negative equals negative, tangent theta times cotangent theta is equals to tangent theta and cotangent theta. All over, we're going to multiply also the conjugate. 1 times 1 equals 1, positive times negative equals negative, and cotangent theta times cotangent theta is equals to cotangent theta squared theta. And then take note that if we have tangent squared theta, cotangent squared theta is equals to 1, and if we're going to transpose the cotangent squared theta to the other side of the equation, so we will have now tangent squared theta is equals to 1 minus cotangent squared theta, which is equivalent to the denominator, which is 1 negative cotangent squared theta. So therefore, our final answer is equals to 1 minus tangent theta cotangent squared theta. Just only copy the numerator, and denominator we're going to change to tangent squared theta, because this 1 minus cotangent squared theta is equivalent to tangent squared theta. That's why our denominator final answer now is 1 over tangent theta cotangent theta over tangent squared theta.